Hey, good morning, everyone. So I want to show you something here. I want to show you the difference between something that's maintained and gets its oil changes regularly, and then something that's not, and then winds up getting overheated. I just want to show you something. Kind of interesting. Now, this is a Ford 2.5, whatever it is. It's in a Fusion 4-cylinder. Anyway, take a look at this. Now this thing's got 60-something thousand miles on it, I don't recall. But look how clean this motor is on the inside. It is almost as if it's brand new. I mean, look at that. The chain, the gears, the cams. They look perfect. There's a valley where the spark plugs are, so you can see that this is actually a used motor. And if you look closely, this is the opening where this you get down into the spark plug. So some water had gotten in there over time, but that's perfectly normal. You can see down inside there. But look, I mean, look how clean the inside of this motor is. That tells you that this thing was maintained. Now, let's just take a look at this other motor. The reason I got the valve cover off is I had to change the cam actuator. I broke the one when I pulled it out. But here we are over at this other motor. Now look at this. Now this thing's got about 50,000 miles more on it, but look at how nasty that is inside. That's a combination of not changing the oil when you're supposed to, and it's also because they overheated the daylights out of it. But I wish you could smell this because it stinks. But if you look down there, see that? Inside there? I mean, that's sludge. That's sludge built up in there. That's from lack of maintenance. But yeah, anyway, I thought it was kind of interesting. I figured I'd show you. And this is the other Fusion that we're going to be taking a nose off of. This one right here. This one got plowed in the rear. Mo's pulling some stuff off out of the back. But this thing got plowed in the rear. It's not worth fixing this car because the frame is bent. But we're going to be taking the stuff off the nose of this one to use on that car that I got in the back that I'm changing the motor on right now. So this would be a nice vehicle to swap over parts. It was a clean car. It's got a clean interior. Yeah, it's got a nice interior actually. Too bad this car got railed the way it did. But yeah. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you that. I thought it'd be kind of interesting. Yeah, alright, so that's it. Let me get this together, and once again, if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.